Have you ever wondered how social media can affect a case both during the case and then after the case? So watch this video and I'll give you a real-world example of how social media ended up ruining one plaintiff's victory. My name is Dennis Ryan. I'm a personal injury attorney who practices in New York and New Jersey, and we represent people who have been injured in accidents. So if you've listened to this channel before, you've heard me talk about social media and how there have been times in the past where plaintiffs have hurt their own cases because of some of the videos, photos, and posts that they've made on Facebook and other social media platforms. Well, I'm here to do a video today to tell you that this can sometimes not only be the fault of the plaintiff, but their own attorney. So recently there was a case in Georgia where a plaintiff secured a $1.5 million verdict at trial. Now this is normally a cause for celebration. Unfortunately, it came to light that during the trial, some of the social media posts that the plaintiff's attorneys were making were found by the judge to go beyond what was allowed during the case. Because of that, the judge overturned the jury's $1.5 million verdict and ordered that the case had to be retried. So you may be thinking, well, what was the reason that the judge needed to take this extraordinary step? Well, it turns out the plaintiff's attorneys made a series of social media posts, including one that was entitled, "3 Lies We Tell Jurors." The judge found that these posts went well beyond just a matter of general public concern, but the judge ultimately found that the impact of the post was just too great. The court wrote that it was deeply concerned with the impact of the videos. His first video specifically set out that the defendant had insurance, that the defendant's insurance carrier had paid for high-priced witnesses, and that the defendant had been arrested at the scene. What this case highlights is that both plaintiffs and their attorneys need to be very careful about what they're putting on social media. In this particular case, the plaintiff and her attorneys went from the ultimate high of finally getting a verdict after all the years of litigating a case, only to find that now that verdict was completely wiped out and they had to spend more money and time to retry the case and potentially get a lower number verdict or even lose the case. Now, many people today find their attorneys on social media, and many attorneys have very aggressive social media presences. What's important to know for you is that you and your attorney both are aware of the ethical obligations of social media and how it can impact your case. So if you or someone you know has been involved in an accident and wants to speak with an attorney, please contact our office. Our office exclusively handles personal injury cases, and we'd be happy to talk to you or your family member about any questions that you may have. As always, all consultations are free. If you like the information on this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel so you get notifications about all upcoming videos. I'm Dennis Ryan, a personal injury attorney here in New York, and I'll see you on the next video.